Okay guys, we're back. Today we are going to talk about hooking up the water line for your refrigerator. And for me, I am doing a complete garage renovation and putting my kitchen in my garage. As you can see, that copper water line right there. That is going to be where my refrigerator is. You can see up in the ceiling. I ran it through the joists. And I had a line right here that went up to my garden hose. So I'm going to tap right in there for the cold water. It'll be filtered because the filter's on the refrigerator. First step you want to do, in the little kit there's a bracket, right? So you take that bracket out, and there's a top bracket and a bottom bracket. So you just screw that onto your copper piping, and there's a little rubber attachment right there. And this seals the pin. I'm going to show you the pin in a minute. So this is the part that goes in. And you can see here that when you spin this little T-handle, sorry, my camera's not very good. So I can set it down. See how you spin that, and that sharp little that's better. See how that pops out? So what you're going to do is you're going to attach this piece into that bracket and then slowly pierce that copper pipe with this sharp edge there. Ooh, it's tight. Sharp. And that'll let water go through there, into there, through the pipe, and into your copper pipe. Right? And that'll bring water all the way down to my refrigerator. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to put that in. So we're going to reset that. Because it's pretty tight. You can see here. I'm going to move this line out of the way. And we're just going to slowly screw that in there like that. And make sure I get it in there right. I'm going to get a little wrench and tighten it up a little bit tighter. That's probably good right there. That'll give me more access into there when I'm ready to hook it in. And remember what I said, you just twist that in and it's slowly going to pierce this pipe. And water will start shooting out into here and into my line all the way down to my refrigerator. That's going to be over there. Right now, next we're going to hook this copper pipe into this water line. And to do that, we have this thing right here. This basically seals the water. And then this tightens it up on the water line. I'm going to show you how to put them in. This one in first, like that. And then this one. Just spin it on there. Yeah, how that went on. And we're going to bend this a little bit. And you can see we're just gonna see how we just and that'll tighten that up. You see how that water line is all hooked up there? I had my wrenches ready before I came out here. And you just have to snug it a little bit. So you can see the water is going to come when I pierce it through here and all the way down. You guys want to see me turn it on? Okay, here we go. We're going to start piercing it. I can feel a little snugness. Hope I'm doing it right. I don't hear any water yet. I think I'm through.
Actually, that's actually a good idea. Because that's going up a mountain and not a lot of people are going to be able to go up there.
That's it, so we're through. We'll back it out a little bit. You hear that? We've got water. Pretty cool, huh guys? On the floor a little wet, but at any rate, we've got water to my refrigerator now. Pretty cool. Now I'm going to turn it off at the main source because I don't want that to run all. I think this one's it. Yep, you heard it turn off. So, my next video, I'm going to show you how that line up, move the water now, to the back of the refrigerator when I'm ready. But in this video, we went over how to hook that water line up to the main line, which feeds the refrigerator. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. Thanks.